Many years ago, meron akong in-experiment because I wanted to know kung paano nagpalaki ng baboy in the past nung wala pang mga malalaking kumpanya o feeds. And so we started to try growing hogs in the forest. Doon talaga sa gubat. Yung mga baboy namin walang bakuna, even simple cholera vaccine wala kami. However, they seems to be very healthy. Nakapagpalaki na rin kami, nakaharvest na kami, and wala kaming antibiotic. So this is how we will be growing our hogs. They will be grown naturally in their own environment. And you will find higa sila kung saan sila nagpupo, saan sila umihi, and wala silang sakit. Sa Moraya Farms, we've always aimed to grow things without anything that will harm our customers. Ang gulay namin, pesticide-free. And while we use fertilizer, we use it very, very little, only at a certain stage ng tanim. We also aim na ang livestock namin, yung mga kambing, karnero, pati yung mga manok namin, are free from antibiotic. Dati hindi namin yun maklaim sa baboy namin because we were growing for Monterey. And we have to follow the program ng Monterey. Today, in a few months, we hope that we can serve naturally grown pigs free from vaccine, free from antibiotic sa mga tao who patronize our product. I hope someday we will be able to share with you the quality of the meats of our hogs. Sana it will help you continue to become healthy.